I'm Nicole Gray, founder of Rich Skinny Pretty. Now don't let the name fool you, it's about everyday women and everyday style. And today I'm at my very favorite shopping destination in Los Angeles, Madison Boutique on 3rd Street. And we're talking about Los Angeles versus New York style. Let's start with Los Angeles style. We have Yasmin wearing a laid-back casual chic look, and what is key is a pair of oversized shades. We have this pair of Sunnies by Dita. That's a retro frame that's on trend and pulls together her look for laid-back LA style. Another key piece is this vest by Griffin New York. It's embellished and perfect for layering. Then she has a simple basic white tee by Splendid and a pair of shorts by Rag & Bone with a cuff detail that's also on trend. She pulls together the look with a handbag by YSL, Messenger, right on trend. She's going to finish her look with a nude pair of sandals by Alexander Wang. Now we're going to talk New York style. We have Yasmin wearing a head-to-toe look in black with a blazer by Rag & Bone that adds a little bit of structure and sophistication, a dress by Surface of Air, and she adds a little punch of color with a day tote by YSL. And don't forget the Sunnies. We opted for a pair by The Row with a circular shape that's very on trend. Her look altogether means business, power play, sophistication, chic, very New York. She's going to complete her look with a heel by Valentino. So there you have it. Now you know the difference between LA style versus New York style. Where do you fit in? I'd say I'm more of a New York kind of girl. What about you?
LA.
Well, there you have it. Thanks so much for joining us. We'll see you next time. Again, Nicole of Rich Skinny Pretty. See you soon.